Okay, in this tutorial, we are going to look at increasing or decreasing the speed of a track in Premiere Pro. Now, to do this, we have to select one of the videos that we've got. So you can see I've got this video here, and if I just play it very quickly, it's a slow, gentle pan of like a breakfast board. So what we're going to do is right-click on this track here, and then we're going to go to the option that says speed/duration. Now when you click on this, you'll have this option in the middle, and you can see the speed's currently set to 100. Now 100 is normal, that's the preset setting that it has. If we decrease this down to 50%, it'll obviously then extend the track. If we increase it to, say, 200, it'll then make the track a lot quicker. Now, what will happen is if we increase the speed to 200%, the duration then is obviously halved. If I click OK, you'll notice that it has now shrunk this clip because now it's running twice as quick. And we do have a little bit of an issue where we have now a little bit of a blank frame here, so we can click on that and delete it, and then obviously that moves over. The downside is now we will have to put any transitions in that you have used, because you can put them in again. Now let's say, for example, if we have made a mistake, I'm just going to move this track back over. If you have made a mistake and you've done it too quick and you want to undo that, that's fine. Right click on the track again, go to speed and duration, and then revert back to 100, click OK, and you can see then the track then resumes.